Now, AJ Fox with your local weather authority forecast.
Well, I know it's still hot, but oh my goodness, so much more tolerable than what we had just a couple days ago.
Yeah, I know, but I was so looking forward to that being the focus of the forecast was, oh, hey, 101. That was our high today, by the way. That's so great.
It was.
Yeah.
It is great.
And now we got this layer of soot that's covering
that's
the valley.
great.
No,
Yeah.
not so great. But so a couple of things are going to go along with that. But the cooling trend is going to continue, it looks like, for the rest of the week.
Love it.
Yeah, generally speaking, a little hiccup along the road. We'll show you in a minute. 100 today after a high of 101, 99 in Visalia, 98 in Madera, 95 in Merced, 102 in Hanford, and Lemoore, 101 in Porterville. Our skies still pretty clear above. Obviously, if you look sideways, you see all of that haze and smoke. A little bit of shower activity developing over the Sierra Nevada. The humidity has dropped quite a bit in the last, say 12 hours or so. And you can see that we have a lot of shower activity over towards the eastern states, Four Corners states, Nevada, etc. And we stay pretty dry in California, according to Futurecast. High pressure still our dominant feature, and one of the things that it means is that our skies stay clear, and also the winds are pretty low, or we're expecting them to be fairly low. That's not good. We would like to have some strong winds come in and mix out some of this smoke, but that's not going to happen. 70 in Delano tonight, 66 in Visalia, 67 in Huron, 65 in San Joaquin. Notice it gets a little cooler up north. 64 in Madera, 65 in Chowchilla, 64 in Merced, 63 for Los Banos. And they're looking for a high tomorrow of 98, 99 in Merced, triple digits in Chowchilla and Madera, 104 in San Joaquin, Selma 103, 101 in Hanford, 102 in Lemoore, 105 in Kettleman City, so still pretty hot. 103 in Tulare, 100 in Porterville, 105 in Delano expected for tomorrow as well. Air quality, that's going to be moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups. This is a big improvement from last week and not necessarily connected to the smoke. Particulate matter or ozone generally go along with that air quality, and all that smoke. That's a lot of particles in the atmosphere. So smoke and haze tonight, 70 degrees the overnight low. Expect a high temperature tomorrow of 102, so slightly warmer than today. But generally speaking, we're still on this downward trend overall. So tomorrow, smoke, that becomes the big issue. Smoke and haze, still pretty hot out there, but below normal this weekend, puts us back into the mid-90s. So another 102 expected on Wednesday, and there you drop down to 99 on Thursday. That day's normal. Down to 95 on Friday. Hitting a high of 96 on Saturday and Sunday, and then we're back up a little bit next week to 98 degrees, which is still normal. So we have a below normal weekend coming towards us. Your regional forecast is available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com. So I have in the extended forecast, I got 2 days of haze and smoke. But when the temperature really starts dropping off, I think the smoke and haze will start to move out because we'll have a little bit of a breeze.
Good.
And that'll help just sort of move that smoke on out, make it somebody else's problem for a little while.
Well,
That's all that
I
means.
hate to
is
say
that,
that
yeah.
that's a good thing,
In
but
order,
it
the
is.
only thing you really need to clean the air is a good rainmaker, and
Right.
that is not happening for us.
Not for a long time.
Right.
Thanks, AJ.